After the flood, we have visited the Thoothukudi district, especially the Thoothukudi town. Thoothukudi town bus depots number 1 and 2 submerged in water. We are recovering the buses. One depot recovered and another depot, the recovering work is going on. And SCTC bus depot also submerged. One bus got waterlogged in deep water. They recovered that bus and now clearing it. So totally in Thoothukudi district, the public transport is in total not movable condition. So 45% buses are moving, another 55% are not moving because somewhere the roads are cut and all like that. Especially Tiruchendur area and Sivigundam area, the buses could not be moved in some roads. From Nagarkoil we are moving towards Tiruchendur and Madurai to Thoothukudi like that. But we couldn't move from Thoothukudi to Tiruchendur. So all the works are going. Within 2-3 days we are expecting to normalize all the work, and then the total public transportation will be required and moved.